Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Iza with ID number 23110730016 from class 2A of the Applied Bachelor Telecommunication Engineering program. Today, I will demonstrate how to design a microstrip antenna using the CST application. CST stands for Computer Simulation Technology, which is a 3D electromagnetic simulation software used to design and analyze systems based on electromagnetic waves, such as antenna, sensor, RF filter, and other microwave components. This time, I will design and simulation a type of microstrip antenna. A microstrip antenna is a type of planar antenna that consists of a thin metallic set or pads placed on top of the electric substrate with a ground plane location beneath the substrate. It is commonly used for high-frequency communication systems such as RF, radar, GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular telecommunication. Okay guys, first open CST Studio Suite 2019. Wait a minute. The project form template, click microwave and RF optical antenna. Next, you click planar. Next, and finish. Second, create the substrate. Use the brick feature to form the substrate. Determine the length, width, and thickness of the substrate according to the design requirement. You click modeling, brick, you give a name substrate, mark of X-min minus WS2 for X mark WS2 for mark Y-min minus LS2 for Y mark LS2 for Z-min TC and Z mark TC plus H. Then choose the substrate material such as Roger RT 5XX0 from the CST material library. You filter. R35XX0 yang loss free. No. I think right. You click load, preview. You give a value for WS 100 for panjang substrate. Okay, value for LS 100 for lebar substrate. Okay, value of TC 0.035 for table conductor. Okay, value for H, I think 1057 for table substrate. Substrate. Okay, click OK. Use mouse and front on top. Third, add the ground plane. Create the ground plane directly under the substrate with the dimension. Click select preset back. You click pick, double click, and extract file. You give name ground plane. For height, because height the ground plane same of TC, you create only TC. For material, use copper material. You click material library and filter copper. Yes, load. Okay. For design the antenna pads, draw the pads on top of the substrate. Use the brick feature. From model, you click brick. You give a name page. Yeah. Okay, or for value xmin for page minus w2 for xmal w2 for yemin L50 minus ls per 2 plus LQV. I think right. For Ymax L50 minus LS2 plus LQW plus L. For Zmin, L for L bukan LS. Zmin TC plus H. Ini TC plus H plus TC. For material, copper enable. Preview for W for 1.05. Ini adalah for lebar patch. Ya, 50, 15, for tinggi port ini cok. LQV 24.05 for lebar patch. L 10. Okay. Next, 5. Create the feeder. Place the feed line to connect the source of the pads. If using a microchip, adjust the feed line with the match the 50 ohm impedance. If using a coaxial feed, create a cylindrical structure of the connector. Okay, you click brick again. You give name is a feeder. Yes, feeder. You give value x for xmin minus wqw2 for xmark wqw2 for yemin ls2 L50 minus ls2 for Ymax L50 minus minus ls for 2 plus LQV LQW for Zmin TC plus H and Zmin TC plus H plus TC. Material copper. Preview. Click OK. Oh, wiki. 1.70 for lebar feeder. Okay, you zoom, you make a zoom, bisa. You lihat, okay. The next seek define the port. If the find is a microstrip, place the wire gauge port at the feed line, and if using a coaxial feed, use a discrete port between the inner and outer conductor. You click brick again. You give a name a port. You give a value for x min, W 52. For x max, W 52. And y min minus LS2. Y max L50 minus LS2. Y min TC plus H again. For Z max, TC plus H plus TC again. Okay, review. W 50 lebar port. Connect. Okay. You zoom. You okay. The next step, set the boundary condition. Set the simulation boundary condition to open at space so the field can radiate friendly into the surrounding space. Adjust the extra space on all sides or present reflection. Okay, you can click component. You click page, click boolean, control, you zoom. You click is a rotation. Salah. You zoom out. You zoom in. Yes, rotation again. Zoom out again and zoom in again. Rotation again. Sampai you see the part of I think part. Zoom again, rotation again. Wait. You. Zoom. Zoom again. You pick face, click to double click. You home macros solver. I think solver, yes. For calculate, for example, calculate and console for MFS. Done. You small and front on top. Okay, why? Okay, I think right. Okay, guys. Next, okay, you can see our part. Deni. Use You zoom, you zoom, you zoom. Oh. Mm. Why? Why? I think you control that. Hmm. Trouble is trouble. For design miscourse antenna. Yesterday I is berhasil lah. Yesterday I success for a design for miscourse antenna, and now I don't know. Try again. Try again. I can try again. Sampai ya. For success, I don't know. Use zoom again. Yes, this is pick face, double click. Um, you click home, macros, solver, for aku calculate for extension, calculate, concept road, close. Who? You click for. Yes, alright. This is okay, guys. I think I will success. Wow, two. Okay, guys. One step is a big. Jadi kita harus mengulang step tadi. Component. You fetch modeling. Boolean, control, feeder, and pour. Enter. Okay. Next step, set the simulation parameter. Select the solver, frequency domain, or time dimension depending on the requirement. Enter the simulation frequency on 2.4 GHz. Afterwards, start the simulation by closing Start Simulation. Okay. You can click Start More Simulation. Value is mean frequency 2, I think 2, because the central value is 2.4, and you give a mean frequency to make frequency 208, 2 plus 208 4.0, and you rectangle bagi rectangle you itu and menghasil and misalnya 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, you wait until 100%. I hope it's a success. I don't know. Because yesterday success. Yes, this is a success. You see a parameter. You click S parameter. You click S. Yes. Finally, analyze the simulation result. Check the S11 value, which should be below value of analyze partial radiation. Additionally, observe the radiation pattern again directly and antenna efficiency. Third, the simulation result display. I don't know. You see the S parameter. What challenge? You see an value of S parameter mixed crossing antenna for mean to max 2 and max 2.8. For magnitude in decibel, you see mean is minus 30 and max 5. They concludes the demonstrate how to design a microwave antenna using the GST application. I hope one I have done can be useful. I apologize if there are any mistake, and thank you. Have a nice day. Dadah.